Hello everyone, this is our project called the Cookie Jar. My name is James Wynn.
My name is Samantha Pohl.
My name is Gregory Mascarini.
My name is Chris Patel, and I'll pass it down to Sammy.
All right, so why the cookie jar? Just like the internet and cookies as a way of storing user data, we call it cookies to store medical data. And so in this situation, let's say a patient goes to a medical facility and then they end up having to fill out a bunch of paperwork for their patient history, medical history, whichever. And then also the doctor's constantly asking them about their own medical history. And so sometimes the information might be inaccurate because maybe it's been so long since their last surgery and they don't know exactly what year it was. And so by using an easy to access platform that stores important medical history, we allow our clients to keep track of and share their healthcare history with medical professionals more efficiently. All right, Kush.
Thank you, Sammy. Yeah, so in order to build a website, we use HTML code in order to configure and create a framework for exactly what our website needs to look like. We created about 1,059 lines of code for our website. However, the code only represents the bigger aspect of the website as there wasn't enough time to fully develop and code a website of our caliber. But in the end, the HTML provided us a path to display what we wanted on the website, and we were able to create a sign up, logins, and a few forms critical to our website. And I'll pass it on to James.
So for the database, we coded it using SQL+. Can you go to the next slide? So as you can see here, we coded multiple different tables to store the patient's data for history. And we also use the patient ID as a referential constraint. Now I'll pass it on to you, Sammy.
All right, and so when it comes to the website, we made the mock-ups of the website on Figma. And so on Figma, you can see that we made a couple web pages, and these have some functions that we want to emphasize. And one of them is the ability to collect data from users and store it into a database such as SQL from James. And then there was also another function to receive and give authorization of patient information. And then another one that we really want to emphasize is the ability for the user to input new medical information or an event and then be able to see it on a table that then they can store or export as a PDF and Excel. All right, Greg.
Thank you so much, Sammy. So in conclusion, I'm going to go over the business model briefly to talk about the age demographic. We were looking at 20 to 50-year-olds who are health conscious as well as tech savvy, using a freemium pricing strategy to increase our customer base. Next slide. On reflecting on this project, this was an amazing opportunity for us as business majors to get out of our comfort zone, to challenge ourselves, to develop new coding skills, and to create a project that we're very proud of. And we want to thank you for the opportunity. You have a great day.